Otters are fascinating semi-aquatic mammals known for their webbed feet, sleek fur, and playful behavior. Otters belong to the weasel family, Mustelidae, and there are 13 recognized species, spread across the Northern Hemisphere. Their bodies are streamlined to aid swift swimming, and their short limbs and webbed feet make them excellent swimmers, capable of diving up to 300 feet deep and staying underwater for up to 8 minutes. Otters have a unique way of moving on land, known as otter shuffle. They rotate their hind legs inward and move their bodies side to side, a technique that reduces water resistance while in the water. Their diet primarily consists of fish, crabs, and mollusks. Otters have a strong jaw, which allows them to crush shells and bite through the hard scales of fish. Otters are known for their playful and social nature. They often play with each other, roll in water, and slide down slopes. This behavior is not just for fun, it helps them maintain their sleek fur and keeps it free from parasites. Otters are also intelligent creatures. They have been observed using tools, such as logs and stones, to help them access food. Unfortunately, otters face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Otters are not just adorable, but they are also key indicators of a healthy aquatic ecosystem. Their presence suggests that the water is clean and rich in fish, and their absence can signal pollution or overfishing. So, next time you see an otter playing in the water, remember that you're witnessing a marvel of agility, intelligence, and resilience. Let's do our part to ensure these aquatic wonders continue to thrive.